A cloth merchant claims to sell his material at cost price, but uses a scale which reads 1 meter for 95 centimeters. Find his gain percentage. Now, let's assume the cost price of the cloth as 100 rupees per meter, or we can say rupee 1 per centimeter. Okay. Now, when the cloth merchant is selling 1 meter cloth, he is actually selling only 95 centimeters. So the cost price of 95 centimeters will be 95 rupees because of our assumption. Now he is selling it assuming that it is 1 meter. That means he is billing the customer rupees 100. So cost price of that cloth is 95, but he is billing the customer rupees 100. That means he is getting a profit of rupees 5. Now we want to find out profit percentage. So that becomes profit, that is 5, upon cost price, that is 95, into 100. So that becomes 5 into 1995. So 100 upon 19, we get the answer as 5.26 percentage.